Hello students, let us do chapter 2 polynomials of standard 9 mathematics. Now this chapter polynomials children is divided into 4 parts. The first part deals with the basic definitions. The second part, the zeros of a polynomial. After definition of the polynomial, the zeros of polynomial will come. Then the remainder theorem, its proof and its application. Factor theorem, its proof and its application. So let us proceed with the basic definitions. The basic definition of is number 1, constants. Now constant children you have done also in the junior classes. Constant, a symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. For example 3, 4, 7 by 3 means anything for which we cannot change the value is called a constant. The second definition is the definition of algebraic expression. Now, what is an algebraic expression? A combination of constants and variables connected by sum or all of the basic 4 operations, that is plus, minus, into and division, is known as algebraic expression. For example, 3x square minus 4 root x plus 5y plus 3. Here the operations you can see multiplication, minus, plus and so on. The second example randomly I have taken. Here x by y means division also I have taken. Over here multiplication, over here minus sign, plus sign and all. The third example I have taken as 3x square plus 4x plus 3. After knowing the definition of an algebraic expression, children, you keep in mind the difference between an expression and an equation. Now, expression and equation. An expression can be simplified. An equation can be solved. An expression, the final answer is the simplified form. Simplified form of the given expression. Here the final answer gives the value of the variable. For example, you can say over here 5x plus 3x plus 2y. This is an expression. This I can write as 8x plus 2y as the answer. But for example, in an equation, suppose it is 5x plus 3 equals to 2, I can write x is equals to 2 minus 3 by 5, that is x is equals to minus 1 by 5 is the answer. So here we get the value of the variable and here the expression is reduced in its simplest form. One more thing you note, in an expression the further steps, each step is continued by equals to sign. But in an equation we write either imply sign or we write this or form. Take care. So this chapter since deals with polynomial, which is a branch of the expression, so we will be writing as equals. Let us go to the next definition. The third definition is the terms of an algebraic expression. Now, the different parts of the algebraic expression, the several parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus sign are called the terms of the expression. For example, in this algebraic expression, the terms we can say is x square minus of 5x square y, 4x and minus 3. Obviously, the number of the terms in this expression is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, the number of terms is 4. Now, let us know the definition of polynomials. As I said in the last explanation, that a polynomial is an algebraic expression. So obviously it is a type of an algebraic expression. So what type of algebraic expression, let us know. So an algebraic expression in which the variables, take care, the variables involved have only non-negative integral powers. Have only non-negative integral powers. We can also say whole numbers. That is, the powers are in whole numbers, is called a polynomial. The general definition of polynomial we can also write as an expression of the form px equals to a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus up to so on an, where a0, a1, a2 up to so on an are real numbers and n is a whole number, is called a polynomial in x. Over here we have taken the variable as x, so I have written it is a polynomial in x. Now the example which we can take is, suppose for example 1, px equals to 5x square plus 4x plus 3. Here we can see the power of x is 2 and 1. So it is a whole number, it is not a fraction, it is not an irrational number, so it is a polynomial. Now second example if I take is a polynomial. Now second example if I take, suppose I take 5x square plus 4 root x plus 4. Here the power of x over here is 1 by 2, that is root x. So the power of x is a fraction, so it is not a polynomial. But it is an algebraic expression. So from these two examples we conclude that every polynomial is an algebraic expression, but all algebraic expressions is not a polynomial. That is, polynomial implies algebraic expression, but algebraic expression does not imply polynomial. Now, definition of coefficients. The real number attached, take care, real number. The real number attached with the variables are called coefficients. For example, in this polynomial px equals to 3x square minus root 2x plus 4, the coefficients attached with the variables are 3 and minus root 2. This 4 is not attached with any variable. So the coefficients are 3 and minus root 2. The coefficients are 3 and minus root 2, and 4 is said to be a constant.